Hello everybody, my name is Nicole and this is my social media etiquette. So social media etiquette, they are guidelines that are followed to protect the reputation of businesses and individuals. Social media etiquettes are important because for a business they would protect against legal and security issues. So basically, um, the social media of the business has a system that will keep you on the right side of the regulations. It also empowers the staff, meaning that when your staff knows how to appropriately and respectively post online and represent and advocate for your organization, it makes the business look good. Also, they defend your brand, meaning that whoever interacts with your brand on social media, they can see a respectable professional business that is liked by everybody. So some of the do's of social media is to think before you post, jump in relevant conversations, be honest and transparent in your interactions, consider your audience, and to read your messages before clicking send. Some of the don'ts of social media include oversharing information, posting when you're tired or emotional, posting personal information, sharing any embarrassing or incriminating photos of you or anybody, or following people you don't know or trust. So I chose to focus on Twitter. Twitter was actually found just randomly blocking users from posting a specific link that was associated with a report of a scandal that had to do with Hunter Biden, which is Joe Biden's son. Twitter just decided to ban it, and they didn't give the public an explanation of this action. And then also that same time, Twitter blocked a government website link from being posted, which was seen as an interference of the presidential election. So what Twitter actually should have done is explain why these links were banned from being posted so they wouldn't get any bad press. They also should have took into consideration the negative public press of banning these links and what the society would think or assume, and they also should have took into consideration if and how this action would affect the presidential election, since it is such a sensitive topic in the world right now. They should have took that into consideration. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.